Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we are back at this js550, and as you can see in the previous videos, I had some cracks from my e-box exploding, and it blew up this top cap right here, and I had stress marks and cracks. So I went ahead and I had all that chamfered out. Basically I used a grinder and I chamfered it all out, and all that was created with this grinder right here. So I used this grinder with that kind of a wheel. It's basically like a sanding wheel, and I shaved it all down, basically created pockets everywhere, and that's pretty much how it's gonna be. I'm creating a little bit pockets right here where it's seamed together. I'm gonna fiberglass all that together. And also, as you can tell, I'm sanding it down. So I got the sander, the palm sander air, and basically I already took everything off. I took the pole, which is over here, sitting on the floor. We're gonna be sanding everything down. We're gonna completely change the color. Guess what kind of color we're gonna go with in the comments below. Post your guesses. Also, all this paint has been painted before. As you can tell, it's all chipping. So we're gonna redo this. I already pulled all the stickers and decals and everything. But our main goal is to fiberglass this, so that way we can primer this whole thing together and sand it down and make this look good. So what I am going to do, I am actually also going to fill up this pocket right here where the exhaust used to go, and we're gonna block it off, and actually there's gonna be no pocket there since the exhaust has been transferred and went over there now. So there's no need for having extra holes and extra possibilities of leaks. I'm still thinking about maybe fiberglassing this hole and just using a fill up inside, but haven't really decided just yet. But this is pretty much how it's gonna be. Alrighty guys, let's go into time lapse, and I'm gonna start sanding down some more of this paint so that way we have some better surface contact when I'll start patching up this jet ski with some of this fiber cloth. Also, I have this other kind of stuff. It's just like a fiber mat. Some goodies right here, a paint box, all the good stuff. Alrighty guys, let's get to it. So we got all this pretty much ready for some fiberglassing. As you can tell, we gotta patch all that. Only thing what we gotta do is go from the inside and get in there with the drill, and with this little sanding wheel disc, and go in there and basically create some grooves in the spots where it's cracked, so that way we can have some more filler. Also on this hood, this is where they had like 6 little circles with little petitions going up and down and across, and it was cracked. So I went ahead and cleaned them out, and now I'm going to leave it like this, just like a pocket. And I have a little spot that I have to patch in right there that's kind of cracked, and basically we're gonna leave it like that. I think this side is still good. Yeah, this one has the 3 holes, so we'll keep that. As you can tell, we still gotta sand all this out. Haven't done any sanding on this hood yet, but I think I'll be getting close to doing some of this fiberglassing, because I want to get that done first, and get ready for some fiberglassing, so that way I can start sanding this whole thing, because I'm gonna have to put a few layers of fiberglass, and I want to make sure it's all right and good. So alrighty, so I went ahead and removed, I had some silicone right here where the hood seal is. So we're gonna clean up this area, and we're going to clean it up so that way we can apply some fiberglass in this crack right here, and we're gonna patch it all up, basically do a flush, and pretty much that's how it's gonna be. For now, this is just a quick video, show you guys what I'm working on. In the next video, I'm hoping to start getting all the fiberglass, and while the fiberglass is drying, I'll be sanding the hood, start taking off this cover, and start working on the side. And as you can tell, I'm gonna need to repair this section right here. I have a crack, which I'll be doing fiberglass, and we'll fix all that. Then we need to also remove this turf, soft stuff, which is pretty tight on there. But again, that's one of those things. And yeah, that's gonna be all in the next video, hopefully. Stay tuned, guys, for the next video, and we'll have some more work and progress done on this js550.